Are you thinking about buying a home? If so, the first thing you're going to have to take care of is getting pre-qualified. Getting pre-qualified for a home loan is a bit more involved than any other loan you'll get. As a loan officer, there are four main things I want to discuss with my customers when I'm pre-qualifying them. And those four things are their assets, their liabilities, their income, and their credit. Real quick, let's talk about each one. Okay, your assets would be the money you have in the bank saved up for your down payment and your closing costs. Secondly, your liabilities. I want to know about your monthly payments you have for things such as your credit cards, auto loan, or student loans. Then I want to discuss with you your income. Are you currently employed and how much are you earning each month? Perhaps you're self-employed. I also want to know how long you've been employed. And lastly, I'm going to talk to you about your credit. Do you know your credit scores? Have you had any derogatory credit marks in the past for things such as a bankruptcy or foreclosure? Now, all this information is important and necessary to get pre-qualified. The best way for you to get started is a brief 10 to 15 minute conversation with your loan officer. In that amount of time, I can determine whether or not you can qualify for the loan that you want to get. And if not, we can come up with a plan on how to get you there. So I hope this doesn't intimidate you, this idea of pre-qualification. You got to get started somewhere, and together we can get you into the loan to buy your dream home.